Welcome to another Deshanty Talk episode. I want to vlog this today. I'm with my friend. For those who have watched my way back video, you might have seen her way back before. Hi! So, we're just gonna bond together and malalaman nyo how, anong pinag-usapan. So, we're just gonna hang out and find some great food today. So join us today for another vlog, the Shanty Talk episode. So let's go! Okay, dito kami! Sa vlog! Titingin na kami dito. And we're gonna try some food today. I'm gonna show you also na rin. Show you what they have. Wow. Fresh food. Freshly baked, no? Tapos yun ang ginagawa na they're making it freshly baked. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Meron silang sourdough croissant. Oh. And meron silang, uy, may macaron. And cheese. Oh, may coffee. Brunch na. Totally, ano na, brunch. Para marami tayo paggawa, hindi lang puro ano. Kaya mo yun. Magaling ko mga mama. I-edit mo naman yan. Naka-timer. Hindi, naka-video. Hindi kaya yan ang timer. Pwede na. Bye! Tingnan natin ko ano ito. Pwede ba makita? Pwede.
Packaging kasi nga, ito talaga. Samples lang. I ordered Google shampoo bar. And ito siya. Hindi na. Okay lang. Sino yung order nun? Tapos yun yung dala ko. And then, that's one. And then the Coco Herbal, yung panglaba. Oo, yun. Na natural. Na panglaba. Kung ma-allergy sa mga sa mga kamay.
Oh, grilled chicken. Uy, thank you. Grilled chicken mango salsa. Yan. Tatay Mexico.